Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert replaceable text on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Now from here, if you want to replace any word, just click on Home tab, and at the corner you can see Find option. Then just click on Find and then type the word that you want to replace. If I type farmer, and that's it, then you can find all the farmer word on the document. Now if you want to replace this word, just click on Replace, then put the cursor on the Replace with option and then type any word as you want. If I type labor, you can also customize your font style. Just click on More, then click on Format, then click on Font. If I select bold option, you can also change your font size from here. Just select any size and then click on OK, then click on Replace All, then click on OK again, then just close the window, and that's it. You can see all the farmer word has been replaced with labor word. And that is how you can insert replaceable text on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.